For many years, pre-workout manufacturers have been claiming that if you want to increase athletic performance and recovery in the gym, to power through your most challenging workouts, that you should be taking their pre-workout supplements. But are all these claims true? Or is it just another marketing gimmick to sell products? Pre-workouts are designed to provide you with more energy for maintaining high-intensity workouts for longer. Some of these claims made by supplement companies are that pre-workouts will increase energy levels, improve blood flow, leading to better pumps in the gym, improve recovery, and give you a boost in growth hormone. While there haven't been enough studies to conclusively say whether a lot of these benefits are factual, the ingredients that have been scientifically proven to work are creatine, nitric oxide precursors, and caffeine. Creatine is a natural compound produced in our body in small amounts. It's primarily stored in skeletal muscle, where it plays an important role in energy production. You can get creatine in your diet from animal products such as red meat, chicken, and salmon. However, in order to get enough of a daily dose to get the full benefits, a creatine supplement is needed. Research shows that supplementing with creatine can increase your body's stored supply of this compound, thus helping you improve recovery time, muscle mass, strength, and exercise performance. Nitric oxide is a compound that your body naturally produces, which helps blood flow and relaxes blood vessels. Pre-workout supplements contain some of the typical substances that your body uses to produce nitric oxide. These consist of substances like L-arginine and L-citrulline. According to recent scientific research, using these supplements may improve the delivery of nutrients and oxygen to your muscles, which may improve athletic performance. Several studies have also found that ingesting nitric oxide precursors, such as nitrate or L-citrulline, along with antioxidants, maintains greater levels of nitric oxide in your body by helping reduce its breakdown. The most effective component in pre-workouts, and what gives you that energetic buzz, is caffeine. Caffeine has been shown to improve memory, exercise performance, mental alertness, and even give a slight boost to your metabolism. However, caffeine is a stimulant, and like all stimulants, should be taken in moderation. Everyone's caffeine tolerance is different, but as a general rule of thumb, the average person shouldn't exceed 400 milligrams of caffeine in any 24-hour period. Ingesting high amounts of caffeine can have severe side effects, such as impaired sleep, increased blood pressure, and elevated levels of anxiety. A lot of these supplements contain beta-alanine, which claim to delay the onset of fatigue and increase muscular endurance. While the science behind these claims are inconclusive, what scientific research has reported is that beta-alanine can produce an itching or skin tingling effect. While this is not necessarily a harmful side effect, it can be an uncomfortable feeling, and it can be a determining factor on whether to take a specific pre-workout formula for a lot of people. This effect should wear off after 30 minutes to an hour. Safety is a major worry when using any supplement on the market. Since pre-workout supplements are not regulated by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, lack of knowledge of the ingredients on a supplement label might potentially make a pre-workout product unsafe. Only purchase supplements that have undergone independent testing from organizations like the USP or NSF worldwide to ensure your safety. If you do decide to start taking pre-workout, it is important not to be over-reliant on it for your workouts and only use it on days where you really need that extra kick. This is because your body builds up a tolerance to stimulants such as caffeine when taken frequently and in high amounts, thus making it much less effective and no longer getting the desired impact. In short, the effectiveness will become less and less over time, or like in many cases, it will be very hit and miss, where certain days you will get an instant buzz, and on others you would feel no effect at all, or even feel more tired. As long as you do not consume pre-workout regularly, you will be unlikely to experience any negative effects. These supplements exist to support you on those lethargic and sluggish days. Some pre-workout supplements contain less caffeine and may be more suitable for you. Just like everything else in life, it all comes down to trying different things to see what works best for you. The feeling of needing to take a pre-workout every day to maximize your workout is honestly a placebo effect, and you will figure that out over time. An effective alternative is to drink a cup of coffee 45 minutes to 1 hour before a workout when you need to, and it works great. If you want a calorie-free alternative, you can always drink black coffee with or without artificial sweeteners. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps our small channel grow. And stay tuned for weekly health tips and tricks.